Welcome to our LAMCA assessment. This time for batch 2, we are still on pattern differentiation, this time according to the 12 regular channels. So let's start the ball rolling with Ma'am Erdeles Gonzaga. Good afternoon, Ma'am.
Good afternoon po, Doc. Good afternoon, classmates.
Okay, some of you were not able to get what we wanted to ask dito, but siguro naman from this slide, you can tell us, since this is about pattern differentiation, what do we expect the symptoms and signs to be when the lung main channel is affected? So, Ma'am Erdeles, can you name them?
Um, Symptoms po,
Opo.
fever,
Mhm.
aversion to cold, feeling of oppression of the chest, pain in the clavicle, shoulder and arm, cough, asthmatic breathing, hemoptysis, congested and sore throat, sensation of fullness in the chest.
O, di ba? Ready. Hemoptysis yun na, hemoptysis.
Ah,
So that
okay po.
means the lung main channel is involved. What about if the Lu connecting channel is involved? Meron po tayong dalawang klase. We have the empty and the full. So let's start with the empty for lung luo connecting.
It's yawning, frequent urination, shortness of breath.
Very good. So when you say luo connecting, it's actually affecting the ano ba to? Yung kapatid niya, no? Next, what about the low connecting channel full?
Hot palms.
Yes, very hot palms. Okay, what about the sinew or the muscle channel for the lung?
Pain, contraction and sprain of the muscles along the course of the channel, pain and contraction of the muscles of the chest and shoulder, pain in the supraclavicular fossa, shoulder, back, and anterior border of the medial aspect of the arm.
So very good. So that means we can base it on the location of the sinew or muscle channel. So basically, ito yung na-mention mo, diba? Great.
Okay.
Now let's go to the large intestine main channel. What are the signs and symptoms?
Sore throat, toothache, epistaxis, runny nose, swollen and painful gums, swollen eyes, watery nasal discharge, congested and sore throat, borborygmus, abdominal pain, diarrhea, and dysentery.
Okay, plus epistaxis or nosebleed. So all you have to do is trace the main pathway, diba? So it's a channel yan. Next, what about the signs and symptoms if the large intestine low connecting channel, empty type, is involved?
Sensation of cold in the teeth, feeling of tightness of diaphragm, loss of sense of smell.
Okay, so very easy, no? Ito po yung low connecting channel. So that's the empty. Let's now go to the excess or full. So may pain na po ito. What are the
Tooth,
symptoms?
toothache, stiffness, tinnitus, sensation of heat in the center of chest and diaphragm.
Very good. Now let's go to the muscle channel of the large intestine. Ito po yung tinatawag din na sinew channel. What are the symptoms?
Pain, stiffness of sprain of the muscles along the channel, inability to raise the arm,
Okay.
inability to rotate the neck, shoulder ache, pain in the neck, anterior part of the shoulder and anterior border of the lateral aspect of the upper limb.
Wow, perfect. Memorize mo na yung large intestine muscle channel, di ba? Now let's go to the stomach channel, the main channel. Ano po yung
Um,
symptoms?
Pain in the eyes, epistaxis, swelling of the neck, facial paralysis, cold legs and feet, pain along the course of the channel, borborygmus, abdominal distension, edema, epigastric pain, vomiting, hunger, deviation of the mouth, congested and sore throat, fever and mania.
Wow, great. What about the luo connecting channel? Ito na po yung ating luo connecting channel.
Um,
Ito siya sa stomach 40 hihiwalay. Empty.
Flaccidity or atrophy of leg muscles, feeling of cold in the upper teeth.
Perfect. What about the full?
epilepsy, manic mental disorders, muscular atrophy and weakness in the lower leg, congested and sore throat, sudden hoarseness of voice, nosebleed.
Great. Okay, let's go to the sinew or muscle channel. Ito po yung ating sinew channel. What are the
Contraction of the muscles of the lower leg and foot, stiffness of the thigh muscle, swelling of the groin, hernia, spasm of the abdominal muscles, strained neck and cheek muscles, division of eyes and mouth, inability to close the eyes due to muscle spasm, inability to open the eyes due to flaccidity of the muscle.
Okay, if you notice, ito po yung ating path ng stomach muscle channel. So if you have memorized the path, then you would know the symptoms if it is affected. Now let's go to the spleen. Let's talk about the great Lou connecting channel of the spleen, number 1.
Palpitations, feeling of fullness of the chest.
Great. Okay, what about the spleen main channel?
Vaginal discharge, cold feeling along the channel, weakness of the leg muscles, belching, vomiting, epigastric pain, abdominal distension, loose stools, jaundice, heaviness of the body, lassitude, stiffness and pain in the root of the tongue.
Okay, kompleto. Next, what about the Lou connecting channel of the spleen, empty type?
Abdominal distension.
So, lumalaki, umuusli yung tiyan. Di ba? Maraming ganyan. Di ba, Ma'am Erdeles?
Opo, pag malaki pala dyan.
So, yung Lou connecting channel.
Alam na, Doc.
Kung full po, kung full.
Abdominal pain,
Yeah.
food poisoning, abdominal spasm, cholera with vomiting and diarrhea.
Very good. Now, let's go to the muscle channel.
Pain in the inner aspect of the ankle, pain in the muscles of the medial aspect of the knee and thigh, strain of the muscles of the groin, strain of the abdominal muscle, pain in the muscle of the chest and middle back, swelling and coldness in the medial aspect of the thigh and knee.
Okay. Wonderful. Punta naman tayo sa great Lou connecting channel of the spleen, number 2.
Pain all over the body, weakness and flaccidity of the joints of the forelimbs, backache radiating to the abdomen.
Okay, now let's go to the heart, main channel.
Pain in the eyes, pain on the inner side of the arm, pain along the scapula, cardiac pain, palpitation, hypochondriac pain, insomnia, night sweats, dryness of the throat, thirst, heat sensation in the palm.
Okay. What about the heart Lou connecting channel na empty?
Aphasia, Doc.
Ano po yung aphasia?
Yun ba yung ano?
Hindi mo masabi yung gusto mo
Yung
sabihin. Hindi mo ma-explain.
nawawala ng buhok.
Ay, hindi naman. Hindi. Ano yun? Alopecia yun.
Alopecia.
So, ibig sabihin, when it comes to talking, it's the heart. And okay. What about the full type ng heart Lou connecting?
Feeling of distension and fullness of the chest and diaphragm.
Wow, memorized. Now let's go to the heart muscle channel. Ito very common po ito. Parang ramdam ko ito, nakaka-relate ako dito.
Pain, stiffness, and sprain of the muscles along the course of the channel.
Okay, we have seen the course of the heart muscle channel. So yung mga nakaka-relate dyan, prepare your heart. Take care of your heart. Now let's go to the small intestine, main channel.
Pain in the neck, pain in the elbow, stiff neck, pain along the lateral side of the arm and scapula, deafness, yellow sclera, sore throat, swelling of the cheeks, distension and pain in the lower abdomen.
Great. What about the Lou connecting channel of the small intestine? Ito na po. SI7. Empty.
Scabies, long finger-shaped warts.
Okay, yung mga may warts, hindi lang enough na tatanggalin mo yung warts, ayusin mo yung low connecting channel, ito tonify mo.
Hindi pala yung doc normal, no? Kala ko pang ano lang yan pag matanda na.
Uy, may mga bata ako nakita, ang daming warts, Hmm. Hindi, pag matanda na kasi, umihina na din yung heart. So, nag-empty din yung ano. So, kailangan pag matanda, di ba, SI7, parati nating ayusin para matonify. Next, what about the full?
Loose joints, muscular atrophy, and motor impairment of the elbow.
So, napansin niyo yung iba dito, hindi na magalaw yung elbow, small intestine. Very interesting, no? Now, let's go to the muscle channel naman. What are the symptoms?
Stiffness and pain of the muscles of the little fingers, arms, and elbow.
Yeah.
Sprain and pain of the muscles of the scapula. Pain and sprain of the neck muscle.
Mm.
Pain from the ear to the mandible. Earache, radiating to the chin. Swelling of the sides of the neck. Pain in the posterior border of the lateral aspect of the shoulder and arm.
Very good. Actually, you have this in your book, no? You know where they got this from. This is very interesting, very complete. Next, let's go to the main channel of the urinary bladder. What are the symptoms?
Stiff neck, fever, headache, aversion to cold, pain in the lower back, pain in the eyes, pain behind the leg along the channel, retention of urine, manic and depressive mental disorders,
Okay.
malaria, pain of the eyes, lacrimation when exposed to wind, nasal obstruction, rhinorrhea, and epistaxis.
Kaka-relate ka ba doon? Pag ng hangin, nagluluha, bladder
Yes.
yun.
Oh, okay.
Parang ako din. Okay. Now let's go to the low connecting channel ng bladder, empty.
Runny nose, nosebleed.
Yes. So you tonify the low connecting, di ba? What
Opo.
about kung full?
Stuffy nose,
Yeah.
head, neck, and shoulder ache.
So kailangan mong i-sedate. Kasi kung ito tonify mo yan, di lalo hindi makakaano. Okay, next. Muscle channel. Ito po yung muscle channel ng ating bladder.
Pain and stiffness of the foot,
Hmm?
heel, knee, and spine. Backache and spasm of the back. Stiff
Okay.
neck. Inability to raise the shoulder. Stiffness of the muscles of the axillary region.
Hmm.
Inability to twist the waist.
Okay.
Pain in the nape, back, low back, buttocks, and posterior aspect of the lower limbs.
Okay. Kaya don't ever forget to take care of the muscle channel ng bladder. Puro ashi na to. Next, kidney main channel.
Pain in the lower back, pain in the sole of the foot, enuresis. Tama ba, Dok?
Enuresis.
Enuresis. Frequent urination, nocturnal emission, impotence, irregular menstruation, asthmatic breathing, hemoptysis, dryness of the tongue, congested and sore throat, edema and heat sensation in the soles.
Very good. So yung umiinit, yung nagaano yung soles, kidney talaga yan. Low connecting channel ng kidney pag empty.
Lower back ache.
Yes, very easy. Kung full,
Mental restlessness, depression, retention of urine, pain in the heart. Wala. Ito,
ano pa? Distension
distension. Ay,
and
wait lang.
fullness
Nawala.
of the chest, no? Of the heart, rather. And also, kasi may connection si kidney sa heart. And ano pa? Pag humina yung kidney
Pain
mo,
in the heart
nagkakaroon-
region.
yes, kakaroon ka rin ng urinary retention, lumbago, okay? Stifling sensation in the chest, naninikip dahil hindi mapakali. That's very kidney. Next, full. Kidney muscle channel.
Full po. Kidney muscle channel. Pain, stiffness, and sprain of the muscles of the toes,
Okay.
Foot and inner aspect of the ankle, stiffness of the muscles of the spine and neck, inability to bend forward, inability to bend backwards, convulsions,
Okay, may nakaka-relate ba dyan? Okay. Punta na tayo sa pericardium main channel. Ito.
stiff neck, pain along the course of the channel, contraction of elbow or hand, cardiac pain, palpitation, mental restlessness, stuffiness in the chest, flushed face, swelling in the axilla, depressive and manic mental disorders, and heat sensation in the palms.
Okay, katulad din ng heart, no? Mhm. Next, loop connecting channel ng pericardium, empty.
Stiffness of head,
Okay. And full.
pain in the heart region, mental restlessness,
Muscle channel ng pericardium.
pain, stiffness, and spasm of the muscles of the inner aspect of the arm, elbow, and axilla, pain in the heart region, spasm of the upper limbs,
Great. Okay, let's go to Sanjiao, main channel.
pain in the elbow, alternation of chills and fever,
Yeah.
deafness, pain and discharge from the air, pain at the top of the shoulders, abdominal distension, edema, ano to doc? Dysuria,
Dysuria, difficulty urination.
dysuria,
Yeah.
deafness, tinnitus, pain in the outer canthus,
Mhm.
swelling of the cheeks, congested, sore throat,
Okay. What about the connecting channel? Empty.
loosening of the elbow joint,
Okay. Full.
contraction of elbow, swollen and painful throat, dry mouth, pain of the outer aspect of the arm, inability to raise the arm, spastic or flaccid cubital joint,
Very good. What about the Sanjiao muscle channel?
sprain, stiffness of wrist, elbow, upper arm, shoulder and neck, curling of the tongue, pain in the retroauricular region,
Okay.
shoulder and lateral aspect of the arm and elbow,
Perfect. What about the gallbladder main channel?
alternation of chills and fever, cold feeling, headache, stiffness, pain in the hip and lateral side of the leg, pain and distension of breast, weakness in leg muscles, headache, pain in the outer canthus, pain in the jaw, blurring of vision, bitter taste in the mouth,
Okay, great. What about the loop connecting channel ng gallbladder? Empty.
weakness and flaccidity of foot muscles,
Hmm.
cold feet, paralysis of legs, difficulty in standing,
Kaya parati nating to i-needle, lalo na pag senior na, no? GB37. And full.
fainting, hypochondriac pain,
Okay, muscle channel ng gallbladder.
pain, stiffness and sprain of the external aspect of the ankle, lateral aspect of leg and knee, difficulty in bending knee, paralysis of the leg, chest and hypochondrial pain, inability to open the eyes, swelling and pain in the supraclavicular fossa, pain in the axilla, pain along the lateral aspect,
Ano pa? Yeah,
aspect of
hypochondria. Anyway,
hypochondria.
yan
Tayo,
ang muscle channel. Next. Let's go to the liver. O, di ba? Tamang-tama, maaga pa. Main channel.
pain, stiffness and sprain of the external aspect of the ankle, lateral aspect of leg and knee, difficulty in bending knees, paralysis
Mali yata.
of the 47, doc.
Yeah, liver.
Liver main channel.
Liver, dapat una-una headache. Pain and swelling of the eyes. Tingnan mo. Hmm? Tapos may leg cramp. Hindi na nag-relate yan sa liver yung sagot mo. Also pain in the lower abdomen kasi yan dyan, no?
Ay,
Hernia.
mali na po. Parang ano lang.
Tapos vertex headache, sa tuktok masakit, ulo. Dryness of the
Sorry.
throat,
Mali.
hiccups, enuresis, dysuria, and mental disturbance. Mukhang nasobrahan ka yata. What about liver low connecting channel na empty?
Itching of the genital area.
Yes,
Impotence.
makate and impotence. And also pag full,
Swelling and pain of the testes. Colic, abnormal erection, and hernia.
good. Liver muscle channel,
Pain, stiffness, and sprain of the muscles of the big toe. Inner aspect of the ankle and leg. Impotence, contraction of the scrotum or vagina. Priapism,
priapism.
persistent
I know,
erection.
yeah, nakatayo lang parate. Oh, you see, tamang-tama. Congratulations po, Ma'am Erdeles. You may now go.
Thank you po, Doc. Makikinig na lang po ako.
Sige po. No, at sabi ko sa iyo, naka-budget yung time eh.
Ang galing mo, Doc.
Diyos
Thank
ko,
you po.
Okay, thank you. Now let's call on Ma'am Mary Jen Ledesma. Good afternoon po.
Hi, good afternoon, Doc. Good afternoon,
Yes,
everyone.
I know you sound very ready kanina pa. Pinagbigyan na natin si ano. Tinan mo, nakayanan natin. Okay, so kanina we were just enumerating the signs and symptoms of each channel, no? So this time, you will have to identify ano po yung pattern based on the 12 regular channels. Okay, if you have, tinan nyo, una-una pa lang ha, cough na. Asthmatic breathing. So what is your answer here?
That's a lung primary channel sign.
Yes, lung, very
primary
obvious. Diba? Diyan pa lang yung cough, tapos sensation of fullness in the chest. And also, tingnan nyo po, merong anterior border of the medial aspect of the arm. So that's actually the lung channel, right? Anong klaseng channel?
Lung channel po.
The primary channel, no?
Yes, lung primary channel.
Okay, what about the next one? Okay, and pinaka-ano dito is ito, borborygmus, abdominal pain, diarrhea, dysentery. Tapos epistaxis. Anong
That's large intestine. Primary channel.
Yes, may toothache din. So actually, tinitrace lang natin yung channel, di ba? Kaya if you have the symptoms, you would know what to do. Okay? Next, what about this one? Pinaka-distinct dito, pinaka-ano is epigastric pain. So location yan, no? Hunger, vomiting. So ano pong channel to?
Stomach po. Stomach primary channel.
Very good. What about this? Belching, vomiting, epigastric pain, abdominal distension, loose stools, no? Swelling and coldness. Tingnan nyo, medial aspect of the thigh and knee. What channel?
Spleen primary channel.
Very good. What about this? Cardiac pain, palpitations, obvious, insomnia, night sweating.
It's related to heart primary channel.
And all, okay, ano po ito? Deafness. O deafness, alam niyo na paano i-treat. Yellow sclera, tapos pain in the posterior border. Kaya pag may mga pain tayo, you have to actually know which channel ang involved, no? So, what is the diagnosis according to the 12 regular channels?
SI, small intestine primary channel.
Very good. What about this? Retention of urine, enuresis, nagbe-bedwetting. Saka may pagka-manic depressive.
So that's bladder primary channel.
Diba? Sanay na kayo. Okay, what about this one naman? Nocturnal emission, frequent urination, impotence. Asthmatic breathing. Bakit? Okay, anong answer niyo po?
Kidney primary channel.
Okay, bakit asthmatic breathing?
Not.
Because the kidney, pag medyo may edad na, fails to anchor the chi ng lung, no? Kaya, ang problema lang, yung lang ang tinitreat ng mga medyo kulang sa knowledge. So, we have to treat the kidney. Very good. What is this po? Palpitations pa din, tapos may swelling in the axilla.
That's
Depressed.
related to heart, pero pericardium primary channel.
Yes, kasi may stiff neck. Next, what is this? Pinaka-ano dito would be pain in the outer canthus, no? Swelling of the cheeks, lateral aspect of the arm and elbow. What's your answer?
3-4 filter primary channel.
Okay, what about this? Headache, pain in the outer canthus, bitter taste in the mouth.
Gallbladder
Very good.
primary channel, same.
Yes. And what about this? Temporal headaches. Meron siyang hernia, enuresis, may mental disturbance, dysuria. Low back pain.
Related to liver, main or primary channel.
Okay. And this one?
Yes.
So, extension and fullness.
Related to lungs, meridian of Tayin.
Lung channel of Han Tai.
Tayin.
So this is according to Zhang Fu. Ito naman, kasi minsan kukunti lang yung symptoms wala ka ng time makita yung iba, no? So if the patient came to you with these symptoms, pain of the supraclavicular fossa, shoulders, tapos yung pain niya, anterior border of the medial aspect of the arm, ano po ito? Anong channel?
Alam meridian of Han Tayin.
Okay, this time, it is the channel. No, nasa channel ang obstruction. Do you find the difference? Do you see the difference? Itong kanina, there is already kung napapansin mo, wala siyang pain. Diretso ka agad siya, no? May fullness, distension, may cough, may panting. So this is according to Zhang Fu. So lung channel pa rin. Diretso sa lungs yan. Pero ito, may pain ka lang sa back and anterior border. Walang wala pang shortness of breath, wala pang panting. Napansin mo?
Yes, po.
So, ibig sabihin, you should already start treating this patient kasi yung channel pa lang ang involved. Number 65. Ano naman din po ito?
Excess of qi in the lungs channel.
Reaction yan sa pathogenic factor. No? Lung channel pa rin of anti. Ito kasi pinaka-superficial, di ba?
Excess qi in the lung channel, yes. Related pa rin sa lung.
Very good. What about this? Yellowing of the eyes, dryness of the mouth, constipation, or loose stool?
Pag-i-stools kasi related to damp heat, yin deficiency, spleen qi deficiency. So, not really sure though.
This time, it's really the organ that is involved already, not the large intestine. Okay? Dahil may constipation na. What about this? Walang constipation, pero masakit yung lateral aspect of the upper arm, yung thumb, pati yung index finger. Ano lang ang involved dito? Yung?
I think it's
Only the channel, right?
Like, hanap ko yung sagot sa upper arm. So, tinatry ko pag ma-figure out, pero not sure. I think lung channel obstruction or large intestine regular channel of the Hanyang.
Hanyang-Ming.
Hanyang-Ming internally.
So, impediment of the channel qi. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag sumakit yung index finger mo, yung thumb mo, think of channel chi impediment ng large intestine. Okay, what about
Okay.
this? May toothache, neck swelling, inflammation of the throat, epistaxis, nose bleeding. Ano nangyari dito?
Okay. A large intestine meridian of Han Yang. Large intestine.
Reaction to pathogen. Kasi may nakain kang hindi healthy.
Large intestine.
Maganda. Are we clear? Next,
Yes,
69. What about this? Abdominal distension and fullness, mania, borborygmus. So mania, ito palang mania, meron ka na, alam mo na anong involved, no? Young organ. Swift digestion with rapid and frequent hungering, madaling magutom. So anong channel ang involved and anong level?
Stomach hit, cold in the intestine.
Yeah, pero ang involvement is Zangfu organ involvement na. Okay?
So, okay.
Yes.
So the
Number
stomach.
70. Okay, ito, tinan nyo. Masakit lang yung dorsum of the foot. Motion impairment ng middle toe. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya maigalaw yung middle toe. Masakit. No? Anterolateral aspect of the lower limbs. So what channel are you going to treat? Pain around the breasts, around stomach 30, stomach 32 areas, pain of the groin. So we're actually talking about the pathway of the stomach, right? Channel. So ano ang involved po dito? Is it the organ? Is it the channel? Or is it a reaction to pathogen?
Sorry, I think Doc, liver stagnation,
No.
liver channel passes through.
It's still the stomach channel that is involved, pero yung channel ng stomach ang involved, hindi ang organ.
Oh,
Do you see the
okay.
difference? We are actually talking about organ involvement, channel involvement, and pathogen. Okay, reaction to pathogen. Next, punta naman tayo dito. Meron kang dry sores sa lips, may epistaxis, deviation of the mouth, lalo na pag nakahiga tapos ang lamig-lamig. Inflammation of the throat, neck swelling. If chi is exuberant, there is heat along the front portion of the body. So first, you have to tell me anong channel ang involved and what is the nature of involvement. Ano po ito? Hello po, are you still there?
Yes, sorry naman. Paano maingay hindi ko sure Doc feeling ko anong channel. Yung deficiency, blood deficiency.
No, stomach
Ano bang
channel pa
channel?
rin. Pero reaction
Stomach channel pa
sa
rin.
pathogen.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, next. Vomiting, epigastric pain, abdominal distension. Take note, may abdominal distension, may belching, heaviness of the body, susceptibility to vomiting, heart vexation, acute pain below the heart, sloppy diarrhea, difficulty with urination, and jaundice. What is your diagnosis? Remember, meron ng diarrhea.
Pag sa mag-diarrhea, most yung stomach and intestine.
Yeah, spleen channel. Then Zangfu organ na yan. Zangfu organ.
Organ.
Next, pain or dysfunction of the knee, the thigh, and the big toe. Anong channel ang involved? Masakit yung tuhod, masakit yung thigh, masakit yung big toe. Di ba may mga pasyenteng ganyan?
Liver spleen channel.
No. Spleen channel. Sa may chi level. Sorry, chi level. Qi involvement, impediment of channel Qi. Okay? Number 74, stiffness and pain in the root of the tongue.
Found meat deficiency, particularly na kidney.
No.
Or
Sandali lang po. We're actually diagnosing based on the 12 channels. Okay? Hindi tayo nagda-diagnose according to the 4 levels. Tapos na tayo doon. Are we clear?
Okay, Doc. Sorry.
Pinag-uusapan natin dito, 12 regular channels. Although,
Probably,
alam naman natin ang pinaka-common is yung 4, yung 8 principles, saka yung Zhangfu. Pero ang topic natin is all about regular channels. So you have to determine anong regular channel ang involved and plus yung 3 subsets niya. Ano ba? Ang channel ba? Ang Qi impediment ba? Is it the organ involvement or reaction to pathogen? Are we good? So itong dito, stiffness, tapos pain in the root of the tongue.
meron siyang heat and stomach channel.
Spleen channel
Tiny channel.
of food in reaction to pathogen. Okay, what about number 75?
So, meron siyang so heat.
Anong heat? You have to tell me anong channel.
Okay.
Kasi yung topic kasi natin, 12 regular channels.
Medyo wala na po kasi ang sagutin sa malayo sa ano.
Okay, so what's your answer here?
I think it's wrong, Doc. Sa heat pathogen. So,
Oh, you
hindi na
don't
siya
say
hindi na siya
heat.
tayin or
Oh,
ano.
hindi mo siya sasabing tayin. Yun yung topic natin last week. Every week kasi iba-iba yung ano natin. Remember, this is pattern differentiation. And for this week,
Heart channel.
it's all about regular channels. Are we good?
Okay,
Kaya
Doc. That's
i-confine mo
heart
lang yung
channel
answer
of
mo.
hand tayo.
Okay. So the answer is heart channel of Han Xiaoyin, dysfunction associated na sa Zhangfu organ. Maraming salamat, Ma Mary Jen.
Yes, wala na po akong sagot, Doc, until
Sige.
7. Thank you so much, Doc.
Thank you po. Let's call on Sir Victor Ginto. Tatapusin na natin, Sir, to.
Yes po, Doc.
Naintindihan nyo na po? Okay, wag kayong sasagot na Zhangfu organ pattern. Wag din kayong sasagot na 8 principles. Hindi din kayo sasagot na pathogenic factor. But ang sasagutin lang natin is anong channel. So you have to choose from any of the 12. Kasi sa bukas, puro tayo EOV naman, extraordinary vessels, yung diagnosis. Medyo matindi rin yun. But I think you were given enough time to study. Okay, Sir Victor. Okay, you have a patient na may hypochondriac pain, may pain in the posterior border of the medial aspect of the upper limbs, tapos may heat sensation in the palm. So, paulit-ulit na po ito ha, yung heat sensation. Okay? Una-una, wala tayong nakikitang palpitations. Diba? So, anong sagot nyo dito, Sir Victor?
Pericardium channel.
No. Heart channel.
Okay.
Kasi po, pag pericardium, iba po yung symptom.
Okay.
Heart channel of Han Xiaoyin, impediment of the channel Qi. Ibig sabihin, ang bara doon sa may channel Qi. Okay? Okay, yellowing of the eyes.
Liver channel.
No.
Gallbladder.
Hindi rin.
Sure.
Regular hindi mo sasabihin ano. Ito kasi, sige. It should be the heart channel. Reaction siya sa pathogen. Sige lang, alam ko mahirap, pero ganun talaga. Okay, let's go now to this one. Deafness, yellowing of the eyes, cheek swelling, pain in the nape of the neck. Paulit-ulit to. Shoulders, posterior border of the lateral aspect of the elbows and arms. Ano po ang channel involved dito? Kung
San
napansin nyo, sinasabi, no, it's not Sanjiao. Pag Sanjiao, meron tayong alternating chills and fever, di ba? Posterior border of the lateral aspect of the elbows and arms. So ano po yung nasa utak nyo na channel?
pag posterior, parang busy eh.
Hindi. Posterior ba ang PC?
O ng braso. Ng medial, teka.
Lateral aspect
Lateral. Oo nga.
of the elbows and arms. It's the small intestine. Okay? Impediment ng channel Chi. Ngayon, kung may sore throat, alam naman natin kung may sore throat, talagang mayroong pathogen yan. Excess yan, di ba? May swelling of the jaw, inability to turn the head, severe pain of the shoulder and arm. So anong channel ang involved?
Lung primary?
No.
Hindi rin.
Pag lung primary, kung reaction to pathogen, dapat may fever, di ba?
Hmm. SID niya ata ito eh.
Yeah, SI. Very good. Reaction to pathogen. Number 80. You have to tell me, ano po ang channel?
Bladder.
Yes.
May bladder.
Eyes, nape of the neck. So dapat nakikita nyo na, itinitrace nyo na yung pathway, no? Tearing pain of the calf, impaired movement of the small toe. Small toe. So buong buo. Ngayon, ang tanong, ano ba ang involved talaga? Is it the organ? Is it impediment of channel Chi? Or is it reaction to pathogen?
Parang ano ito?
Chi lang, no? Chi?
Ano?
Yes. Number 81. Meron tayong cold and heat patterns. Ito na. May clue na. Aversion to cold with fever, surging headache, nasal obstruction. So, anong bladder? Tapos ano siya? Is it organ involvement? Is it impediment of Qi? Or impediment sa channel Qi? Or is it reaction to pathogen?
Pathogen?
Yes, very good. Sallow complexion, lassitude, feeling of hunger, hemoptysis, shortness of breath, panting, heart fixation, propensity to fright. Yan pa lang, number 1 na yan. Madaling matakot. Predilection for lying down. Gustong-gustong nakahiga. So what is your regular channel?
Liver?
No. May-fright ba ang liver?
Lung.
Ano ba yung organ na associated with fright?
Ano nga pala? Kidney.
Yes, kidney. So ngayon, ang tanong, ano bang nangyari dito? Tingnan mo, may hemoptysis na, may shortness of breath na. Is it still the Qi impairment sa channel? Or is it organ involvement? Or is it reaction to pathogen?
Parang organ.
Yes, very good. Now you're getting it. Okay, channel ang iisipin natin ha, channel. Okay, tingnan nyo to. Obvious na obvious to. Kanina to minention eh. Yung minemorize ni ano. Nevertheless. Burning pain in the soles. Ano pa? Flaccidity of the lower limbs. Pain in the posterior medial aspect of the thigh. Soreness of the lumbar region and knee joints.
Kidney.
Yes.
Primary.
Ang tanong, no. Yeah, primary, of course. Ano siya? Is it organ? Is it channel Qi impediment? Or is it reaction?
Reaction yata ito eh.
No. Wala ngang sore throat.
Organ.
Yeah. No, hindi rin organ. Wala ngang low back pain. Wala ngang ano. Problema sa pag-ihi. No,
Channel.
impediment of channel Qi. Actually, itong regular channels, it's not used very often. lalong nako-confuse yung mga estudyante. But for our purposes of discussion, we need to take it out. Next, feeling of heat in the mouth, sore throat, dryness and swelling of the tongue and throat, chi rising counterflow with panting cough.
Ano ba to? Lang.
No.
Lang to. Stomach.
Hindi din.
Yeah.
Do you remember, hindi kayo nakinig kanina sa pathway ng kidney, di ba? So ang tanong dito, basta may swelling, pathogen yan, reaction to pathogen. It's actually the kidney channel. Okay?
Five.
Ibig sabihin, galing sa labas yung nag-cause ng problem. O ito, napaka-obvious. Palpitations, heart fixation, cardiac pain, mental disorders.
Heart or pericardium.
Pericardium channel. Ano man, is it Zhang-Fu organ, Qi impairment of the channel, or reaction?
Zhang-Fu siguro.
Zhang-Fu, very good. Pain and fullness of the chest and hypochondrium, heat sensation in the palms. Di ba kanina, sinagot mo na rin yan? Heat sensation. No,
Yung heart. Pericardium din. Pericardium.
pericardium pa din. Tapos, anong involved?
Yung chi.
Yes, Qi. Impediment of channel Qi. Number 87. Hypertonicity or contracture of the arms and elbow, swelling and pain of the axillary fossa and flushed face.
Gallbladder.
Hindi. Arms and elbow pa tayo eh. Malayo ang gallbladder.
Arms and elbow.
Hindi naman dumadaan. Okay. This is pericardium. Nakita mo may swelling.
Sabagay, axillary.
Yes, axillary. So obvious na obvious it's pericardium. Saka may swelling. Diba? Swelling is a response. It's a reaction to pathogen. Number 88. Okay, ito kung natatandaan nyo. Actually, review lang ito sa tinake up kanina. Mabilis lang yung kanina pero dapat nag-sink in. Okay, pain of the outer canthus, swelling and pain of the cheeks, pain in the retro-auricular region, pain and dyskinesia, lack of voluntary movement on the lateral aspect of the shoulder, arm, and elbow, impaired movement of the little finger. Ano bang channel ang nasa little
finger, SI.
Hindi, connected din yan sa ano, wait lang, lateral aspect. The answer is Sanjiao channel, impediment of channel Qi. Number 89. Sanjiao pa rin to. Kasi tuloy-tuloy yan eh. Pero ang tanong, is it organ, is it Zhang-Fu organ? Is it channel Qi impediment? Or is it reaction to pathogen? Remember, may swelling tayo.
Pathogen.
Yes. Number 90. Oh, ito, napaka-obvious. A bitter taste in the mouth, tendency to sigh, pain of the chest and hypochondrium, inability to rotate, twist, or turn to the lateral side. First, anong channel? Bitter taste na yan, ha? Napaka-obvious.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder. So ano na to? Zhang-Fu, Qi impediment, or is it reaction? Zhang-Fu. Very good. 91. So gallbladder pa rin to dapat, no? Kasi tuloy-tuloy. Headache, pain of the mandible, swelling and pain in the supraclavicular fossa, swelling below the axilla, pain and dyskinesia. Movement of the small toe. Ano po ito?
Gallbladder pathogen.
No, not pathogen. Pwede naman mag-swell pag may bara.
Yan. Chi impediment sa
Chi impediment, yes. The face has a slightly dusky complexion, phlegm, nodes, and saber, lumps in the neck, lusterless skin, heat on the lateral side of the feet, sweating, alternating chills and fever. So, alternating, alam na natin, gallbladder na gallbladder yan or Sanjiao. But, what is this? This is a
Xiaoyang syndrome ng
reaction to pathogen. Okay? Number 93. First, you have to give me the channel. Fullness and pain in the chest and hypochondrium, vomiting. The answer should be liver.
liver primary channel.
Zanfu organ kasi may diarrhea. Ito naman, Foxy mounting scrotum hernia, mounting chi pain, dribbling urinary block. Anong channel po ang involved?
Kidney.
No, no. Pag may mga scrotum sa liver pa yan.
Liver.
Impediment of channel chi. So yan, next. Pain of the lumbus that inhibits stretching, swelling of the lesser abdomen, in women, dry throat.
Kidney.
No,
Hindi rin.
liver pa rin.
Liver pa rin.
Sa women swelling of the lesser abdomen in women. Reaction to pathogen. Next, all 6 young channels meet at the where?
Do 14.
No. Anong part ng body? Lahat ng 6 na young.
Nasa head.
Yeah, head or face.
Sa
Yeah, yun na yun. Kaya nga effective dyan yung facial. What about the 6 yin channels? Where do they meet? Lahat.
sa Ren channel.
Anong rin dyan?
Ren Mai.
No, not really. Anong part ng body? Kung ang mga yang channels doon sa head or face, saan naman yung mga yin channels?
Sa front of the body.
Yeah, the chest. Chest talaga. Di ba napansin mo chest? The blank relate to the exterior. So, including the superficial energetic layers of the body, including the skin and muscles, the channels. Lapit na tayo matapos. The blank relate to the interior, including the deep energetic layer of the body, including the organs and bones. So kung kanina channel, ano po ito?
Yin.
The organs. The organs. No? So yung channels nasa labas, superficial, ito interior. And finally, exterior pathogenic factors will first invade what channels and then settle in blank?
Taiyang tapos Yangming.
No. The Lu connecting. Lahat yan sila nagsisettle sa Lu connecting. Nag-i-invade sila sa Lu connecting. Kaya you should know the Lu connecting. Kaya di ba yung stomach 40, lung 7, Lu connecting yan. Doon sila nag-i-invade sa Lu connecting channels, pagkatapos nagsisettle sila sa joints. Alam ko medyo matindi to, kaya binilisan natin. Baka antukin lahat. Maraming salamat po, Sir Victor, Ma'am Mary Jen. Alam ko toxic. Anyway, patapos na tayo, di ba? So, another is tomorrow for extraordinary vessels. Don't worry. We will try to explain as easily as we can. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po, Doc.
Thank you.
See you again
Thank you.
tomorrow, tomorrow.
Yes po, Doc. Thank you.
Sa Thursday. Maraming salamat po. And good afternoon. Bye-bye po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ingat po kayo lahat.